Welcome to Unveiling the Truth, where we delve deep into the intricacies of modern challenges and uncover the realities behind them. In this episode, we will explore a compelling case study that highlights significant issues faced in today's society, providing insight and solution. Join us as we analyze findings, engage with expert option, and present real-life example that illustrate the impact of those challenges. Stay tuned as we embark on enlightening journey to unveiling the truth and empower you with knowledge that you can inspire change. Let's get started and uncover the layer of truth together.
Cambridge Analytica emerged as a key player in political campaigns, utilizing data analytics to influence voters' behavior. The firm gained discredit for its role in 2016 U.S. presidential election and the Brexit referendum. The firm accessed the personal data of millions of Facebook users through a third-party app. This app collected data not only from users who consented but also from their friends, leading to a massive data pool without explicit consent. Cambridge Analytica employed advanced algorithms to analyze this data, creating detailed psychological profiles of users. Targeted advertising strategies were then used to influence voter opinions, showcasing the power of data in shaping political narratives. This highlights specific instances where these tactics were employed, particularly in the 2016 U.S. election and Brexit. It emphasizes the effectiveness of targeted ads in swaying public opinion and the potential consequences for democratic processes. The scandal raises significant ethical questions regarding consent and the use of personal data for political gain. The lack of transparency in data collection practice is a major concern, prompting calls for accountability. In the results, there was increased study on data privacy laws and regulations. Governments and regulatory bodies began to take action to protect user data and ensure ethical practices in data usage. The Cambridge Analytica case serves as a stark reminder of the sensitivity in the data privacy and potential for abuse in politics. It underscores the urgent need for stronger regulation and ethical standards in digital landscape as we navigate in increasingly data-driven world. Awareness and education and data privacy are essential for protecting individual rights and democratic integrity.
The next report centers on the Child Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA, a crucial piece of U.S. legislation designed to empower parents and protect the personal information of children under 13 in the online environment. COPPA mandates that website operators take specific actions, including providing a clear privacy policy that outlines data collection practices and obtaining verifiable parental consent before collecting any personal information from children. Parents have the right to know what data is being collected and can revoke consent at any time, demanding the deletion of that information. Additionally, COPPA restricts the amount of personal data collected during online games and contests, emphasizing the need for confidentiality and security. The act aims to foster parental involvement and create a safer online space for children and protect their personal information from misuse. While COPPA primarily targets child-directed websites, it also applies to general audience sites with children section or those aware of child users. Enforcement is managed by the Federal Trade Commission or FTC, which can impose significant penalties for violations and encourages parents to report issues. Advocacy groups like the Electronic Privacy Information Center or EPIC play a vital role in promoting strong online privacy protections, urging the FTC to adapt COPPA to the evolving digital landscape to ensure the ongoing safety and privacy of children online.
Thank you for tuning in today's episode of our case study series. we delve deep into the remarkable journey of Cambridge Analytica scandal and children's online privacy protection. Be sure to join us next week as we explore another fascinating case study. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms for more updates and exclusive content. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of innovation and striving of excellence. Thank you for watching.